If you're a fan of noodles like myself, you'll start to notice different textures and flavors out there that are more preferable than others. I recently discovered this Korean cult noodle dish from my friend, and I am so in love with it. I'm not Korean, so I don't want to butcher the name, but I've included the Amazon link in the description box below if you want to get it. It cooks fast within 3 minutes of boiling it in hot water. I would say the texture is similar to glass noodles where there's a good amount of chewiness to it. It comes with packets of tangy sour soup base that you mix in after you drain it and rinse with cold water. Add some of your favorite ingredients such as cucumber, green onion, egg, and or any type of meat, and you'll have your custom noodle dish in no time at all. Each bag gives 4 large servings. Sometimes I have leftovers, so I just leave it in the fridge and eat it for the next meal. I hope you like it as much as I do. Let me know what you think. If you like more of these videos, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.